Hello and welcome to Jumble House. For adult beginners and students, Breakfast English has short daily lessons with real conversations. Hello, Judi here.
Hi, it's Michael.
Oh, hi Michael, how are you? And everyday routines. I lit the fire. I boiled some eggs. Practice English is for more advanced students. There are also lots of lessons and resources to help you with grammar and pronunciation and sentence construction. For very young children, the lessons are introduced by the Jumbles toys. 3, 4, 5. I am 5. I am 10. I am hungry. Where's my dinner? It's on the plate. Yum, 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 yum.